name is Monish. I am studying 7th class in Indian District School, Attali. Today I will explain the flower parts. See the flower. This is a petal. Petal in which color? White color. This is a sepal. Sepal in green color. How many sepals are there in flower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sepals are there in this flower. How many petals are there in this flower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals are there in this flower. This part was called thalamus. This lower part was called stalk. In this middle part, whole part was called in pistil. In this upper part was called stamen. Let's see in the inner part. This inner part was called ovary. Once see this.